Hello guys, again I'm Ralph. I'm from Baguio and I'm a fraghead, and today I just wanted to share some of the local niche perfumes that I've recently added in my personal collection. Ayan, so the first one, without further ado, this is called Pistachio Canafa from GP Fragrances. Shout out Sir Greg Parilla, Noah Solutions, and of course the perfumer, the great Gib Ang. So actually I've done a full review of this one. Please do check it out na lang guys. But siguro to summarize the scent profile, if you have tried the Dubai Chocolate Pistachio Canafa, this is a good interpretation of that. No, and basically guys, this is a gourmand. No, so this is sweet, this is nutty, and imagine putting Arabic spices to it. So naka-proud lang guys, no, naka-proud how Pistachio Canafa is also a representation of Filipino heritage, no. So again, no, please do check out na lang yung full review ko of this one. Again, Pistachio Canafa from GP Fragrances. And the next one guys, naka-proud kasi finally it's making its waves, no. Matagal-tagal na to sa scene, no, pero ilan pa lang, no, yung nakakapansin, nakaka-appreciate, and I'm just happy na it's gaining a greater recognition lalo very recently, no, sa local scene, no. So ayun, no, this one is called Dugmok from Imahinasyon. Shout out Sir Noel. So Dugmok guys, no, this is a Cebuano word that means broken or crushed. So this is inspired, no, or this is taken from the experience of brokenness, no. So this is rose and cacao as its hero notes, no. So this is what I can picture sa Dugmok. For me, cacao that's dusty and powdery, it represents gloom and darkness, no. Pero the rose here represents hope, no, amidst all the darkness. So nakatuwa lang if a perfume, no, speaks to human experiences, no. It's a great representation of perfumery. It's a great representation of artistry. So again guys, no, dami ko pang gustong sabihin dito, pero I'm excited to do a full review of this one. Again guys, Dugmok from the House of Imahinasyon, no. And the third one guys, no, isa to sa talagang medyo matagal-tagal ko nang tina-target, no. Na-try ko to early this year, no, nung pumunta ako sa Manila, no. And yeah, no, the third one is called Hello Silence, no, from Tadhana. This is from their Post collection. Shout out Ma'am Shale Albao, no. So ito din, no, gagawan ko ng full review, pero what I can assure you, or the interesting things about this, so number one, the quality of the materials used here is top tier, no. So naka-proud, no, this kinds of houses sa local scene, ito yung mga worth supporting talaga, no. So yeah, no, this has Almasiga tree resin, no. So Almasiga tree, of course, it's a vintage Filipino tree, no. And imagine, siguro this is how I picture this, no. Siguro some of the details, yung further details I'll be giving, no, pag ginawa ko na to ng full review. But yeah, no, imagine you're walking sa Sierra Madre, of course, the mountain range, and you are faced with this you're beholding the beauty and the glory of the Almasiga tree, no. And you're doing that while you're sipping your black tea and you're holding your leather bound na old na libro, no. So nakatuwa, this is for me a different, a silent kind talaga, no. A silent, siguro an eerie, and siguro there's darkness and a haunting kind of pause for me. Pero of course that's just my personal interpretation. And guys, no, this has vintage vanilla also, and this has Malaysian oud. So grabe the quality, no. Again, no, one also that I'm excited in doing a full review. So again, Hello Silence from the House of Tadhana. And the last one guys, this is my recent pickup, no, and naka-proud lang to be owning this one, no. So this is Temple at Dawn from Dilettante Perfumery. So Dilettante, no, is basically means a lover or someone who appreciates fine arts, no? So I'll also be doing a full review of this. Dami ko nagagawa ng full review, but anyway, Temple at Dawn, this has coffee, no? For me, the best, no, with all confidence, the best interpretation of coffee I've tried in local perfumery. This has hyssop, this has spikenard, no? So imagine, and also this has incense. So imagine yung spices, the coffee, great take ng coffee, and basically this is an amber gourmand for me, no, with slightly animalic touches to it, no, the slightest one, no, and this has smokiness to it, no. So as the name implies, no, so Temple at Dawn, no, it's like walking through ancient temples, no. The temple is empty, no, and you see the imagery of its darkness, parang ganon, no. You see the imagery of silence, no. Nakakatuwa yung interpretation ni Paulo dito, no. Shout out Pau, no. And guys, no, I'm excited in doing a full review of this. Actually, it reminds me of a game na share ko kay Pau. No, if you have tried Shadow of the Colossus or if you have played Shadow of the Colossus sa PlayStation 2, that is an open world game. No, so for me this is melancholic. No, for me this is heavy for me, no. There are perfumes na heavy for me, hindi lang because of the scent profile, but because of the emotion, no, the experience that it's giving you. So again, guys, no, I'm excited to do a full review of Temple at Dawn. So yun guys, yun yung 4 na recent kong na pick up, no, at na-add ko sa personal collection ko, and naka-proud lang guys, no, with everything that's happening sa local scene. Marami pa ring reason, and those are 4 of my reasons kung bakit kailangan pa rin natin at deserve pa rin ng suporta ng local perfumery. So, yun guys, ano naman yung recent pick up nyo? Yun lang guys, thank you so much and ingat kayo.